Every manufacturer believes they've got their inventory under control, until the audit paints a very different picture. What if your next audit reveals losses you didn't even know existed? Let's uncover the truth and how to fix it. 91% of manufacturers think their inventory is nearly perfect, but the audit says otherwise. Only 37% are close. That confidence? It's costing you more than you think. Hidden losses, missed revenue, silent inefficiencies. Let's break the illusion. Inventory mistakes aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They drain 7.3% of your revenue, triple your shipping costs, and delay production by 24 hours or more. The worst part? It's not just inventory. Your whole supply chain suffers. How healthy is your inventory, really? Are physical and system counts in sync? Are your updates real-time or reactive? Is your warehouse organized or chaotic? If you're still relying on manual entry, it's time to act, before the next error costs you thousands. Shift from firefighting to foresight. With Odoo, gain real-time visibility, smart forecasting, and barcode-enabled mobility on every inch of your floor. It's not just inventory management, it's operational clarity built into every process. Talk is cheap, action is everything. Start with our free inventory self-audit. In minutes, you'll know your score, uncover your biggest gaps, and get a plan tailored to you. Let's turn insights into action. Check the link in description.